Hey, you guys. It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Sunday Baggage. This is a very exciting Sunday Baggage today because the bag that we're going to be talking about is going to be for you guys. It is officially June, so it is officially my birthday month. Go Gemini. So yes, we are going to be doing a giveaway today, and the giveaway is going to be the bag that I am showing you. This bag is so freaking stunning, guys. Like, it is so, like, it's hard for me to part with it. This bag is actually from The Gate, and I do want to let you know that this is the same seller that I bought the Gucci Marmont bag. I said Marmont this time, not Marmount. I don't know what was wrong with me at the last one. But if you caught my video on this bag, which was super, super good and super, super bargainy, this was, I think, in total around 60 bucks or 65 bucks. And this one is really, really good. This is the same seller that is going to be supplying the bag that I'm going to be doing the giveaway for. I paid for this one with my own money. I'm going to leave the direct link to the bag that I'm giving away in my Snipfeed link in the description box, but I want you to know that this seller has like a ton of bags that are in the same, they're all the same price. So they're all like $40 or something, and you pay $20 shipping, and they're all the same. So if you want to go to her site and check it out, I'm going to put a picture up here of like all the different bags that are available. If you want to go check that out, and if you see one of the styles that you like, you're only going to be paying the flat rate of all the other bags, including this one that I'm about to show you and the Gucci Marmont that I just showed you. So this is like a really, really good seller. She's super nice. She's super attentive. If you have any questions, the WhatsApp number is in there as well. You can contact her. She can send you photos or anything you like. So please go check her out. Also, if you want to purchase any of them, the link will take you right to her shop. Pick a bag. Get it. They've all been good so far. And this one that I'm about to show you does not disappoint. So the one that we're going to be talking about today for my birthday giveaway is a Prada bag, of course, because you know I'm a Prada girl. This does come in a box. The box is a little kind of misshapen because it did just come in like a mailer, and so it did get like a little bit beat up and stuff. I will send this box to whoever wins this, so you will get it in a USPS priority mail box, so this will be included in it. But this bag is super cute. Again, I only paid like 60 or 65 bucks for it. Let's open her up and take a look. When you open up the box, you do get a very pretty, gorgeous Prada dust bag. This is kind of like a soft cotton, and it does have a drawstring. Guys, this reveal though. Here we go. Oh my God. She is so pretty, guys. She's so pretty. So this is the Prada Satin Sparkle Studded Bag. This on the Prada website retails for $2,700 right now. It is super gorgeous. It is a hobo style in their re-edition line. It is absolutely stunning. Look at this thing, guys. It is covered in jewels. So freaking gorgeous. It's got the Prada logo plate on the front, and it's also got the re-edition keychain holder on the side. Oh my God. When I opened this, I was like, oh, I have to give this away for my birthday because it's so cute. I might just get myself one, just by the way. Anyway, when this arrived, I pulled it out of the dust bag. I was like, wow, this thing is freaking stunning. I see a lot of people on TV carrying this on a night out, and I thought, oh, this is super, super gorgeous. It did not disappoint. So let's go through the details as always to see how legit this thing is, and then at the end of the video I will give you the instructions on how to enter to win this gorgeous little baby. Okay, so first off, yes, the shape and the studs exactly match the original. This is super, super gorgeous. It's really nicely constructed. It is not flimsy in any type of way. As you can see, I can hold it like this and it stands up on its own. Something to check for every time on the DH Gate bags. This is a leather zipper pull, which is original to the authentic. Sometimes on the DH Gate bags, you get that metal logo branded zipper pull, but most of the Prada bags are going to have the leather zipper. So that is what this one has. Faceplate is the typical Prada faceplate on the leather triangle backing. So that matches up. And then the re-edition keychain holder is how the original one is. I actually love these things because you put your keys on here and then you can like put them on the inside of the bag. And so when you're looking for your keys, you can literally just pull it out and they're attached. I actually took one of these off of my old Prada bags and put it on my new Prada Hobo bag that I got from OG Bags because it was not the re-edition line, and only the re-edition lines come with this keychain holder. So I just love it so much. It makes it so much easier to grab my keys out of the bag instead of like digging and searching for them. So that is such a nice little bonus. And then I'm going to open it up and take out the bubble that it was packed with. But the inside is the black Prada lining with the Prada tag on it, which is exactly how the authentic one is. So you know this one checks out. And guys, how freaking gorgeous is this thing? Like, it is shining in the light. It is an eye catcher. It is definitely just a shoulder bag, a very cute little night out on the town shoulder bag. It does not come with a crossbody strap. It's not meant to be worn like that. It's kind of like a sateen nylon with the studs over top. And I also want to note that the seller does include a little bag of extra gems just in case any of them pop off while wearing. You can go ahead and stick these back on. So it just gives you more longevity for it's so gorgeous, guys. It's so gorgeous. Again, I'm going to link this one down in the description box so that you can go check it out. But like I said earlier, you can see all the other bags that she has available in her shop. So please go check her out. Great seller, great items. Haven't been disappointed yet. How do you win this gorgeous little baby? Well, since it is my birthday and you guys love the DHgate bag so much, I am giving this one away to one of you in my birthday month of June. As some of you know, I am going to Miami for my birthday. So I'm actually running this for about 2 weeks because I don't get back until June 16th. So I'm going to run this from the day that you're watching this all the way until I get back on June 16th. So that's when it will close. And all you have to do on this one is comment down below. Comment anything you like. Comment if you think that this bag is gorgeous. Comment happy birthday to me. Anything you want. Emojis, anything you want. I'm going to use a random comment generator and then just choose one. And then I'm going to write you back on the comments and you're going to email me your address and I'm going to send it right out to you. I do want to know that this is only for people in the United States because right now I can only send the USPS priority mailboxes to people that are inside the United States. So if you do live outside the United States and you comment and I write you and you give me your address and you don't live in the United States, I'm going to pick the next person. I'm so sorry, guys. Once I get up there, I'll be able to do this. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on here real quick, show off this little lovely beauty of a Prada sateen studded bag. Again, this thing is so pretty. Like you can't deny it. You can't deny it. Go ahead and comment and tell me that this bag is not pretty. Because if you do that, you will be entered in the giveaways. That's all I have for you today, guys. Short and sweet for ya. Hope that's okay. Remember to check out my other Sunday baggage videos. I will leave the playlist link in my description box. I will also leave my DHgate playlist in my description box. And as always, the link to the seller shop for this bag will be there, as well as all the other links to all the other items that I've had videos on. Hopefully that thing stays up as long as I can get it so I can help you guys out. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. Comment down below so you can enter the giveaway. Remember, it ends June 16th. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much, guys. I will see you on the next one.